While we're working on the barbecue grill, which is still going on, we made a little place. They can put one of their little stoves down here in the corner where the wind's kind of blocked off of it. Melinda and Joanne, they're preparing to cook up this little meal. And I tell you how nice right out here with the sea breeze from the ocean. And just be right out here cooking, preparing, open fires, the smell of that wood. Man, what a life. So delicious. Oh my God. Kind of stealing this. That's so good. Being a pig, they're gonna use this in a dish later. I'm just shoplifting. So funny. There was a bigger crab in that bucket that they were gonna use in this dish, but the bucket was a little too small for that crab, and he done made his escape. He has a second chance on life. Man, tell me this ain't living life right here. Look at this. Not only they got all this good food going, but then look at all these pretty faces. Woo! Oh, Melinda's gonna try to hide her stomach real quick. Look at all these pretty faces. Wow. Look here at these twins. Hey, girls.
A simple life.
The one here is always camera shy, though. One's not, one is. This one has no shy at all. Yeah, man, I tell you, this to me is living a life. Look at this. Got these ladies here, man, they're all working on cooking up a nice meal out of an open fire right there. Wood that's gathered up, that floats up right here on the beach. They didn't go in no forest and gather that. The currents bring that in. They gather it up, dry it out. That's firewood right there. That's firewood. That is recycling to the max. So when y'all are all talking about homesteading, self-sufficient, man, I know over here what homestead and self-sufficient is. I know what simple living is. I know it. I watch some of these people that talk about living off-grid. Man, you are so far from off-grid. Man, y'all ain't living no true off-grid life. Man, all that is a catchphrase. Over here is an off-grid life. And man, I tell you what, it's a happy life too. You see these ladies? They're not worrying about house insurance. They're not worrying about car insurance. Man, they're not worried about the tax man coming to take everything from them. Nope. They're not worried about huge electricity bills, paying the water bill. They're not worried about the popo writing them tickets. Man, none of this nonsense. All them things that make life so stressful. Wait. That's like a little package of seasoning. We'll just call these little crab packets.
Crablets.
Yeah.
Baby crabs.
Man.
The innocent crab.
Man, I tell you what. It's decoration. Put that on the Christmas tree.
Yes, just
So the kitchen ninja here, she's wanting to demonstrate her ninja skills
Maybe while I'm
You see that corn? She didn't remove that with a knife. She
remove
did
my
that with
neck.
her teeth.
Exactly.
Like 2 seconds. And then she just spit it out in her hand and laid it right
I'm more
there.
faster than squirrel.
That, yeah.
Chipmunks.
Squirrel don't know nothing on this.
Yeah. James mo?
There's the kitchen ninja back in action again.
You know,
Super lightning speed.
I was been in degree in chopping this onion, but they kicked me out.
You got a degree in chopping onion. They kicked you out while they say you cried too much.
Yeah. Too much fast.
Oh, you're too fast for them. Huh? They don't know how to give you a grade on that. Just kick out. So you don't know what Melinda's doing. Is taking this ground up coconut, and they're adding a little bit of water, and she's squeezing the coconut milk out of it. That water is dissolving it. Thank you, Rooster. And he's backing me up. He said, that's right. And the dog said, yes, that is correct.
The first squish, it's gonna be thick, and then you need to add water again, squeeze for the second,
Yeah.
and kind of, not. Kung may balagay, doon ako, mga ingredients. Doon ako, mga ingredients.
What you see in there, for you that don't know, that's just all new to you, the dark stuff, that's just part of the brown husk on the inside of the coconut. It's just fibrous like stuff. It's nothing wrong with that.
You're going to drain that.
Yeah, they'll strain this anyway.
This is the first squeeze coconut juice.
The missing crab has been found. He was hiding here somewhere.
The missing crab. I soak the garlic, onion, and then I add the crab, so that they're gonna cook that big crab.
So, garlic, onion, what liquid is it? Water?
Water and that coconut milk.
The coconut milk, and it looks like some oil on there. Is that oil just from the coconut?
No, I add a little oil when I soak, because
Okay.
oh, init. Sat. So
Magic syrup, always magic syrup. Here's your magic syrup. It's like an addiction. The addiction of the Filipino, magic syrup.
that's why it's magic. Sim.